Prove the trigonometric identity 2 secant square theta minus secant to the power of 4 theta minus 2 cosecant square theta plus cosecant to the power of 4 theta is equal to cot to the power of 4 theta minus tan to the power of 4 theta. LHS is equal to 2 secant square theta minus secant to the power of 4 theta minus 2 cosecant square theta plus cosecant to the power of 4 theta is equal to rearranging terms, that is cosecant to the power of 4 theta minus 2 cosecant square theta minus secant to the power of 4 theta plus 2 secant square theta. Add 1, subtract 1. That is cosecant to the power of 4 theta minus 2 cosecant square theta plus 1 minus secant to the power of 4 theta plus 2 secant square theta minus 1 is equal to cosecant to the power of 4 theta minus 2 cosecant square theta plus 1 minus of secant to the power of 4 theta minus 2 secant square theta plus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta whole square minus 2 cosecant square theta plus 1 whole square minus secant square theta whole square minus 2 secant square theta plus 1 whole square. A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Here A is equal to cosecant square theta, B is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1 whole square minus of, here A is equal to secant square theta, B is equal to 1. That is secant square theta minus 1 whole square is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. That is cot square theta whole square, cot to the power of 4 theta minus secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta, that is tan square theta whole square is equal to tan to the power of 4 theta is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS.